How to add music on Canva video. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Canva website or open the Canva app on a device. Once opened, tap on the Create a New Design by clicking on the Create a Design button, and there you will get to see a lot of options available. From there, tap on the video or open an existing video project you want to add music to, or you can simply browse through Canva's video. So here I don't have any specific video in my PC, so I'm choosing the Canva video. Choose one. Now on the left sidebar you can see elements option available there. Simply tap on the elements, click on the audio tab, and this will show you a library of free and premium music tracks. Browse through the options and click on the track you want to use. It will automatically be added to your video. If you have your own music file, you can also click on the Upload tab and upload files and select the music file from your device. I don't have any, so I am choosing from the Canva audio. Once you choose any music track, you can drag the music track on the timeline to adjust the start and end points, and you can trim the track to fit your video's length. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.